Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to subtract the given amounts, and based on it we are doing worksheet number 7, and we have done the 3 parts of question number 1, and I have given you the remaining 3 parts of question number 1 for as assignment. So I hope all of you have done these 3 parts. So let us subtract them and you can check the answers. So here we have to subtract these two given amounts. So in subtraction what we have to see first कि हमारे जो upper digits हैं that should be greater. If it is smaller than the lower digit then we have to make them greater. So here 5 is greater than 0, it's fine. 8 is smaller than 9. So what we have to do, we have to borrow. So borrow करेंगे, what will it become? It becomes 18. And what is left over here is 5. Now 5 is again smaller than 6, so we have to again borrow and it becomes 15. And what is left over here is 8. Now subtract it. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 18 minus 9 is 9. And the most important thing that you have to keep it in mind is that the dot, this dot or you can say point will come under this dot only. ये जो dot है ये dot के नीचे ही आएगा. And then 15 minus 6 is 9 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is 59.95, and don't forget to write this rupees sign under rupees sign. Now it becomes, अगर हम rupees sign नहीं लगाते तो इसका मीनिंग कुछ और हो जाता है. दिस इज 59.95, राइट. और अगर हम इसके साथ रुपीज साइन लगा देते, नाउ इट बिकम्स 59 रुपीज 95 पैसे. सो दिस यूनिट और दिस साइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर ये साइन नहीं होंगे इनके साथ तो ये रुपीज नहीं रह जाते, ये अमाउंट नहीं रह जाते, ये सिर्फ एक नंबर्स बन जाते हैं. जब इनके साथ रुपीज साइन लग जाता है देन we can read them as 59 rupees 95 paise, right? And similar the next one, here 3 is smaller than 5, so we have to borrow, it becomes 13. What is left here is 3 again, so again 3 is smaller than 6, so we have to borrow, it becomes 13 again, and what is left over here is 8. Now 8 is greater than 7, fine. Now subtract it. 13 minus 5 is 8, and then 13 minus 6 is 7, and point or dot will come under dot. Then 8 minus 7 is 1, and 1 will come down as it is. So and this rupees sign is already there, so the answer is 11 rupees 78 paise. And the last one, as part of question number 1, is we have to subtract 201 rupees 30 paise minus 150 rupees 75 paise. So 0 is smaller, so we have to borrow, it becomes 10. What will left is 2, and now 2 is again smaller, so again borrow, it becomes 12. What is left over here is 0. Now 0 is equal to 0, so there is no need to borrow. And next step, again 0 is smaller than 5, so we have to borrow, it becomes 10, and what is left over here is 1. Now subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5. 12 minus 7 is 5 again, and dot will come under dot. And then 0 minus 0 is 0, and 10 minus 5 is 5, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer is 50 rupees and 55 paise, and rupees sign come under rupees sign. Now question number 2, arrange in columns and subtract. Now here in question number 1, the amounts are already arranged in column, हमें अरेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. But in this question we have to arrange them in column and then we have to subtract. So this question we have to do in the notebook. So this is worksheet number 7, of unit 7 and question number 2, right? So here question is arrange in columns and subtract. So A part is rupees 45 or 45 rupees 31 paise from 80 rupees and 79 paise. Now we have to subtract these two amounts, and what comes between is from. That means हमें 80 रुपीज़ 79 पैसे में से 45 रुपीज़ 31 पैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करने हैं, बिकॉज फ्रॉम आ गया. फ्रॉम में हम सेकंड जो नंबर होता है उसको हम ऊपर लिखते हैं एंड फर्स्ट नंबर कम्स डाउन. सो subtract it. So I will subtract over here or here. Rupees 80 rupees and 79 paise minus 45 rupees and 31 paise. So now in this way we have to arrange. I've already told you how to arrange them in column. What you have to keep it in mind is your dot should come under dot. ये proper column में होने चाहिए, even in question and in answer. Answer में भी ये dot के नीचे dot ही आना चाहिए. And rest other जो digits हैं that should come under their proper places. And subtract तो हमें जैसे हम पहले करते थे नंबर को वैसे ही subtract करना है. 9 minus 1 is 8, 7 minus 3 is 4, and dot will come under dot, and 0 is smaller than 5, so we have to borrow. It becomes 10. What is left over here is 7, and 7 is greater than 4. It's fine. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, and 7 minus 4 is 3, and rupees sign will come under rupees sign. So this is the answer, 35 rupees 48 paise. Now B part, that is 17 rupees 75 paise from 34 rupees 10 paise. We have to subtract these two amounts. Now subtract it. From है second the number amount that will come first, 34 rupees 10 paise minus 17 rupees 75 paise. Subtract them. 0 is smaller than 5, so we have to borrow and it will become 10, and what is left over here is 0. 0 is again smaller than 7, so we have to borrow, it becomes 10, and what is left over here is 3. And 3 is again smaller than 7, so we have to borrow, what is left over here is 2. Right? Subtract तो हमने पीछे यूनिट में हम ऑलरेडी समझ चुके हैं कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. सो नाउ subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 7 is 3, dot comes under dot, 13 minus 7 is 6, and 2 minus 1 is 1, and rupees sign will come under rupees sign. So the answer is 16 rupees and 35 paise. Now in next question, in C part, only paise is given, that is 7 paise. We have to subtract 7 paise from 19 rupees. 19 rupees. Now you can see here, यहाँ पर सिर्फ पैसे हैं और यहाँ पर क्या है, rupees है. So subtract it in the same way, 19.00, and we have to subtract 7 paise, that is 0.07. So you can also write 0 under this if you want to write 0, otherwise you can also write in as it is, जैसा आपका लिखा हुआ है already. Right, now subtract it. So how can we subtract? So starting from ones place, 0 is smaller than 7, so we have to borrow 10. तो borrow किससे करेंगे हम? This type of question we have already learned in previous units. सो यहाँ पर 0 है, 0 के पास से तो ये नहीं लेगा. सो फ्रॉम वेयर इट बोरोज फ्रॉम हेयर. यहाँ से बोरो करेगा, यहाँ पर क्या बचेगा 8. 8 ने डायरेक्ट बोरो नहीं कर सकता, इसने इसको दिया है. यहाँ पर क्या था 10 था, और 10 से इसने बोरो किया, यहाँ पर बच गया 9. सो इन दिस वे वी सब्ट्रैक्ट सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जहाँ पर हमारे 1 से ज़्यादा 0 एक साथ होते हैं, तो इस टाइप से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. And here 8 is greater than 0, so it is fine. Now 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9, dot will come under dot, and 8 minus 0 is 8, and 1 comes as it is. So answer is 18 rupees and 93 paise. Now the D part थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट वे में आपको दिया हुआ है. 55 पैसे फ्रॉम 13 rupees, right? Here the question is given in words. Now how can you subtract? So what you have to do is, first of all, convert this or write this 55 पैसे in फिगर्स. सबसे पहले आप इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, फिगर्स में लिखेंगे. सो इसका क्या हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन नाउ. सो नाउ हाउ कैन वी राइट. अब हमने पहले प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइजेज में हमने ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं हाउ टू राइट इन फिगर. सो इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे, रुपीज का साइन लगता है सबसे पहले जब हम फिगर में लिखते हैं. सो देयर इज नो रुपीज, कोई रुपी नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट 0 रुपीज, एंड पॉइंट्स जो होता है वो रुपीज और पैसे को सेपरेट करता है. एंड हाउ मेनी पैसेज आर गिवन, 55 पैसे. सो राइट 55. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन राइट 55 पैसे इन फिगर्स. यू कैन सी हियर 0 रुपीज, दैट मीन्स कोई रुपी नहीं है, ओनली 55 पैसे. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दिस. नाउ वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट इजीली, राइट? अब ये वैसे ही क्वेश्चन बन गया जैसा हमारा बाकी क्वेश्चंस हैं. दोनों जो अमाउंट है वो हमारे फिगर्स में है. सो वी हैव टू चेंज दिस इनटू फिगर्स. सो फिगर में कन्वर्ट किया. नाउ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो रुपीज 13 माइनस रुपीज 55 पैसे. Subtract it. So now in C part I have already told you how to subtract such type of questions. आपने first digit 0 is smaller than 5, so we have to borrow. अब borrow किससे होगा, 3 से होगा. यहाँ पर क्या बचता है हमारा 9. जब भी ऐसे होते हैं बाकी जो है हमारे 9 ही आते हैं सब zeros के ऊपर. And ultimately we borrow from here 3. So yeah, what is left over here is 2, and now 2 is greater than 0. So subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Dot will come under dot, and 2 minus 0 is 2, and 1 come as it is. So the answer is 12 rupees 45 paise. So in this way you can subtract the given amounts. So in next video we will discuss the word problems based on the subtraction of amounts. Thank you.